Good afternoon, everyone. Saturday, September 11th, 2021. I am heading up to the land, and I'll be spending Saturday afternoon. I'll probably get there around 5:30, 6 o'clock tonight. And I'll be spending the night up there. And I'm going to be working up there on Sunday morning, finishing up the plumbing door. So I'm going to head up there now, and I'll see you when I get up there. Just about here, almost 5:30 p.m. on a Saturday. About 2.5 hours, as I said it would. Didn't really hit any traffic coming up here. We're just about on the property. Just about. Turn up here. Here we go. Looks like somebody put some gravel down. Not bad. A lot smoother than it was. Here we are. At the property, I'm gonna back down. Okay, we made it. All right, I'm gonna turn on the water, open up the camp, take a look around, unload the truck, and I'll get back to you. Okay, now that I'm all unloaded, I unloaded the truck, took the cooler that I have a little bit of food in for tonight and tomorrow morning, and probably for tomorrow's lunch and all. The sun's setting here. It's probably about 5:45. So up here in Maine, it's starting to get really dark quick. Even the leaves are starting to turn a little bit. Won't be long before they do. But I was up here last week and I made a video and I really didn't post it because I was a little upset the way this box came out. But I took a second look at it, and you know something, there it is. It's almost done. It basically serves the purpose. It's going to keep the snow out. Maybe it should have been a little bit smaller, but it's okay. What I did bring up with me was I brought up some roofing shingles. I brought up some sticky tar paper to put on top and some roofing rubber. So maybe a little bit overboard, but that's kind of what I've got to put on there. And I'm going to put some metal edging around the side, and I'm probably going to extend the rubber just slightly above the hinges up there, just to protect it from the rain from going in. So that's kind of what I'm going to do tomorrow. That's my project for tomorrow, is to finish that. But let me open it up here. Okay. Kind of hard to. That's kind of how it is. Let me just. Got one stick there. I usually put a second stick in there, but it serves the purpose. It's fine. It's gonna work the way it is. It's not done yet. It should look a little bit better once it's done. I mean, it's totally butchered, but you know something, it is what it is. I'm not a carpenter. I never claimed to be one. But I built it. Like I said, I was originally going to have somebody built me one box to put against there, but I decided to do it. So it's done. So sun's going down here. See the remaining of the sun. I got here just a few minutes ago. Left the house around 3 3 p.m. Took about 2.5 hours to get up here. Not bad, didn't hit much traffic coming up here. So, I'm gonna settle in a little bit. Gonna make myself a little dinner. Not yet, maybe in a little bit. It's quiet up here. I'm up here for the night. I'll see you in a bit. Morning, everyone. It's Sunday, September 12th. Stayed overnight here at the cabin up in Maine. Didn't do much recording last night when I got here. I did a little bit and then I kind of stopped because I didn't want to bore you guys to death. All I did was make myself a little dinner and sit down and watch a little TV. I mean, all I gotta do is play DVDs anyway, so. Then I took a shower, went to bed, and had a pretty good night's sleep. Woke up around 5:30. It's almost 7 o'clock now in the morning. I think I'm gonna go outside and have a little cup of coffee. I already had breakfast. I made some breakfast for myself. Had some coffee. I'm gonna another half a cup of coffee and sit on the porch for a little bit before I start my day. I'll see you then. Just before 7 o'clock here. A little bit of a windy day. It's actually not too bad out. Thought it'd be a lot colder than this. But a pretty good night's sleep. Not bad. I'm not really used to being up here. This is my second time sleeping up here, so I was gonna come up this morning from down where I live in Massachusetts, but I kind of decided to go up yesterday afternoon, so I kind of packed up real quick. Kind of glad I did. So, sun just coming up. I don't know what kind of day it's going to be. I hope it's a decent day for at least most of the day. I got some work to do over there on the box. I definitely want to finish that today. Let's throw on my slippers. All right. Very quiet. Alright, what I'm going to put down here now is the ice shield. Ice and water shield. It's the sticky tar paper that I'm going to put on top of the door. And then I'm going to put the rubber that I have. The piece of rubber that I've got in the truck, I'm going to cut it to fit the door. It'll stick right on. It's a two-sided sticky backing here. Okay, I got the ice shield. Not peeled off yet, but what I did was I cut the best I could around the hinges. Next, I'm going to take the piece of rubber that I've got on the ground. I'm going to lay it out, and I got to fit that to measure this and pre-cut it before I even unpeel this. Because if I unpeel this and put that plastic and try and cut it, that's not going to work. So let me try that. Okay, at this time, I'm going to staple the back of the rubber onto the house, and what I'm going to do is put a molding on it like so. put it up a little bit higher, get his screwed in, use the level to make it even. I'll probably need another piece off the other one I got over there. And then I will cut it to size, take it off, and either that or roll it up or something. I'll take the sticky paper off and then I'll spread it on. See how it goes. Gotta be pretty careful here. This stuff's incredibly sticky. Wow. All right. Wish me luck. That's on. Talk about being a major pain in the ass. Definitely needed 2 people for this. Well, it's on. I got it on. Pretty good. Okay. Probably cut this. Okay, I'm gonna unpeel the second layer and put the rubber down. Wish me luck. Oh my God. Really need 2 people for this. Really do. Now I'm starting the shingles. Finally. Okay. So after 10 o'clock in the morning, I just finished the shingles. Just finished. There it is. I don't know how well you can see it here in the sun. Just finished it. Now I'm going to attempt to put the moldings on the side. It's a aluminum folding. Aluminum it's just the cover that goes around. I don't know the hell. I'm tired. I don't know the name of it. But yeah, it's like a covering. Then I'm gonna probably do the bottom next, right here. I'm gonna attempt that with the ice shield and the shingles again, see what I can do there. Then maybe for the final step, I'll put some Flex Seal on the nail tops. But I really should test it out first. I'm gonna test it out first before I even do anything else to see if the door actually closes with the rubber on it. Yep, it closes all right. Looks pretty good. Bring a little closer to see. Boy, that, man, that door got a lot heavier with that stuff on it, with the ice shield and the rubber and the shingles. Wow, is that thing heavy. I don't think I have to worry about that thing opening up at all. That thing's really heavy. So I still got to put the handle on it, put the molding around. I'm going to get that now, measure it out. I'll be back. Okay, here it is. Got the aluminum molding all the way around. It's just about complete. Gotta see what time it is. Gotta keep an eye on the time at this point. I knew this would take me all day. I might tackle the sides on each side with the, I don't have enough rubber obviously, but I might have enough for one side. But I have enough ice shield to probably get both sides and to shingle it. So let's give that a go. I don't have to do it, but I'm gonna try it anyways. All right, so there it is, it's complete. It's not pretty, but you know something, it serves the purpose. Like I said, it's not professional, but it's gonna serve what I need to do, and that's all I care about. I'm not quite done with it yet. I might put some Flex Shield on the nail parts, and maybe paint the wooded part with the Flex Seal just to keep it all waterproof. I may do that. Not 100% sure, but I gotta tell you, that door's a lot heavy now. That thing's incredibly heavy. But it's done. I'm sorry the video was all about the door today, but this is something I had to get done. It was on the one of the top things to do. I know people might see this thing and say, what a butcher job. And you know something, you're right. I mean, I did this on the cheap. You know, I had the roofing shingles. My brother-in-law got me the ice shield and the rubber. You know, I bought the aluminum molding for it. I bought the nails. You know, I don't know, maybe I got out of this thing for like 150 bucks for everything. I don't know, maybe. I don't know what a carpenter would have charged me to do this. It was very hard for me to find one. Like I said, I had someone that was gonna build me a box. I kind of really needed built on site and attached to the house to do what I needed to do here. I mean, I don't know, I suppose I could have had one built, but I have no idea what that would have cost. You know, a couple $100 in materials and labor. But I almost gave up on it, and I said to myself, you know something, just take a stab at it. So I'm not super proud of it, but you know something, it's going to serve the purpose for what it's going to do. That's all I care about. I mean, the real test will come with the heavy snow this winter when I get up here to clean the roof every once in a while and check on the cabin or check inside. I mean, I'm sure the snow will be going inside the crack here. Maybe I can put some type of rubber for the winter, just overlapping it or whatever. Well, we'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back in a bit. I think I might take a quick lunch inside. Okay, I'm gonna have a little lunch now, and I'll probably watch a little bit of TV, and I'll start packing up after then. I'll go down the street, say hello to my neighbors, and probably come back here and load up and take off. So probably in about maybe half an hour or so. So I'm gonna eat now, and I'll be back in a bit. All right, that'll do it for today. I'm gonna be taking off in a few minutes. I just want to thank everyone for watching, whoever's watching this, and everyone take care. And I look forward to hearing some of your comments if you want to leave any. If you don't, that's fine. But today was a pretty productive day. I did finish the box. It's done. I know it's kind of a boring video. I mean, I'll try to have some more better videos, you know, maybe the next couple of weeks before I close the camp. I figure maybe I can get the rest of this month and a good part of October, and probably middle, late October I'll start to close it down. And then probably make a little video on that too. But and that's it. We're gonna say goodbye. Goodbye, camp. We'll see you next time. Box is done. I didn't think I'd be able to do it, but I did it. Say goodbye to the property. And like I said before, until next time, I'll catch you again. Take care, everybody.